Looking to upgrade your home audio system without the hassle of tangled wires and complicated setups? The 16AWG 4-Conductor speaker wire with oxygen-free 95% pure copper conductors offers a clean, reliable solution that delivers crisp sound and easy installation. With 100 continuous feet on a spool, this wire lets you manage multiple speaker connections seamlessly, while the CL2 rated white outer jacket ensures safety for in-wall residential use. When I rewired my 7.1 surround sound system, this speaker wire made all the difference. My living room is large, and running wires to 4 rear speakers could have been a nightmare. Thanks to the 4-conductor design, I was able to run a single cable to cover 2 speakers at once. I carefully split the outer sheath to separate the pairs, allowing me to connect the first speaker and continue the run to the second without clutter or extra wires. The color-coded jackets inside made identifying each conductor straightforward, cutting down on guesswork and installation time. What really stood out was the sound quality. My Polk audio speakers paired with a Yamaha receiver sounded clearer and more dynamic than ever. The oxygen-free copper conductors reduce signal loss and interference, preserving the integrity of the audio signal across long distances. Plus, the CL2 rating means this wire is safe to run inside walls, so you don't have to compromise on aesthetics or safety. If you're tired of messy wiring and want a straightforward way to enhance your home theater or audio setup, this 16AWG 4-Conductor speaker wire is worth a look. It's designed to simplify installation, improve sound clarity, and keep your space safe and tidy. Try it when you're ready to take your audio experience to the next level.